Bam. Oh, dude, lock in, brother. Lock in, brother. Oh shit, I'm lagging up. Yeah. No, I'm a bit. You see, I'm a bit. Oh yeah, I used that as well. I got. What do you do? Yeah, exactly. Dude, I'm gonna like. Actually, wait, I have a better idea. The train. No! I got murdered. Hello. Choo gaga. Choo gaga. Choo gaga. I don't even have a I have a helicopter hat. I actually have a helicopter hat on. Actually I have a helicopter. I have a helicopter hat right now. Wait, that's smart. Ponder. I got it! I feel fear! I'm just trying. Dude, I'm gonna upload this. Oh, shittings. Firefly, please help me. I swear to God, I'm gonna invite Firefly just so I'm seeing her here. Yeah, wait, it's not totally balanced now. Yeah, I'm gonna upload this to YouTube and then like show it to my coach and she's gonna be like, what? Yeah, wait, it's like the last kind of game. Oh. Okay, even that, wait, Honda's in my ult. I'm in the spawn. This is Gaga, I'm very busy. I'm stuck in the trap! I'm just a little bit. I do. You just. Oh shit. Hey, hello, I'm a baby. Wait, oh. Where does you wait? Get in the train and get. No, like the train, the train. What is medic onto? 3K. I think it's just that spectator, the name again.